When it comes to fuel injectors, we all know there are two main reasons for failure: excessive wear and deposits, taking your Cummins N14 off the road and money out of your pocket. It's time to put an end to your troubles with a quality fuel injector from the fuel system specialists. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this select fuel injector for the Cummins N14. These N14 injectors are fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and all critical components replaced, rebuilt and dimensioned back to OE specifications. Each injector includes a new wiring harness, nozzle, knob spring, and spring seat for improved performance and durability. All our injectors are produced and tested on industry-leading OEM technology and tested for fuel delivery, injection pressure, and timing. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.